Let's convert this image into a tiny planet. Our tiny planet is a perfect circle, so we need our original image to be a perfect square. Let's go to Image, Image Size. Make sure this button is unchecked because you don't want to constrain the aspect ratio, and give the width and height the same value, in this case 4000 pixels. Great. Now we want the left and right edges of the image to be as seamless as possible. Where's the seam, you might ask? Well, go to Filter, Other, and choose Offset. Set it to wrap around, check preview. Keep the vertical offset at 0, but change the horizontal offset so that the seam, this line here, is visible inside the canvas. To fix the sky, go to Edit, Sky Replacement. Here you can choose another sky and choose something without clouds because you don't want the clouds to create new seams, do you? And the best option is to create a sky that is solid blue without any gradients. I've already prepared this solid blue image here and added it to the list of skies using this Import Sky Images button. So I'll choose that and output it to a duplicate layer and click OK. And now you can go to Select, Sky, and using either the clone stamp tool or a regular soft brush, you can remove this part of the line as well. Simply hold down Alt or Option and click to sample a color, and then paint over the seam. Now for the water, using the rectangular marquee tool, let's create a selection around the left section here. Press Ctrl or Command J to create a new layer out of the selection, and using the Move tool, move this new layer on top of the line. Then using the Eraser tool or a layer mask, make sure it's a soft brush, can start erasing the left and right edges. The water is now seamless. And if this line is still bothering you, you can do the same thing. Activate the image layer, create a selection, Ctrl or Command J, move the layer to the left, and erase the edges. Great, now select all the layers, click on the top one, hold down Shift, and click on the bottom one, and then press Ctrl or Command E to merge them. Now if we offset this image again, the seams should be gone. If not, then go ahead and use the clone stamp or a soft brush to remove the remaining seams. Next, go to Image, Image Rotation, and choose 180 degrees. And to create the tiny planet, go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates. Set it to rectangular to polar and click OK. And that's it. Look at that. A nice tiny planet in a galaxy far, far away.